The Big Bearded Baker.
Hi, welcome to the Big Bearded Baker. Today we're going to do cheesecake with my little helper Locke. You ready to do that?
Yeah.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is you're going to set your oven to 350. We've already got ours going, so we're good to go on that side. So now we're going to make our graham cracker crust that we can put into our baking pan. So first we're going to get our graham crackers, sugar. You put the sugar in?
Yeah.
Okay, put the sugar right in there. And softened butter. So we gotta soften this up real quick.
Soften it. And I like that.
Right, we got our softened butter. A little bit of warm. So we're gonna pour this into here now too. You wanna pour that in as well?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Pour it right into the bowl. All the way over. Good job. Go ahead and put that bowl right there. Yeah, put it right in that bowl. And then what we're going to do is we're going to mix this up. Alright, this is going to give us our crust.
Wait.
What's that?
Creative.
Hmm?
Creative.
Creative, yep. Once we get our crust all ready and all mixed up, it'll kind of look like sand. Does that look like sand?
Yeah.
Looks like nice wet sand.
Yeah.
You don't eat sand though, do you?
Yeah.
You eat sand?
No.
Okay. Alright, so got this ready. So we're going to put this into our pan now. So what we're going to do there, let's make us a little bit more room. We're going to put this guy into our baking pan.
Oh, that's
Just
good.
like that. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to spread this out and pat it down. Well, you can if you want to. What we're going to do first is shake it. Okay. See how we got it shaked? We're going to spread it out. You want to help me spread it out a little bit? Make it nice and even. You don't have to press it down yet. Just going to get it even. Okay. So it goes on the bottom. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take a cup we had. We use that to press it down.
That is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
That's all creative.
Yep. So as we're pressing that down, make sure it all gets nice and pressed. We got the center of it good. Edges are a little harder, easier to use your fingers, or even a real straight cut works really well to do that. But we want to get this packed down real nice and hard. Okay. See what I'm doing?
That's so creative.
Mm-hmm. Graham cracker down there. See how nice and packed down that is?
Yep.
So what we can do is use the edge here.
Okay. That's so creative.
That's so creative.
Yeah.
Is everything creative? I'm okay with that.
Almost.
Almost?
Yeah.
I'm okay with that.
That's all cool.
Yep. Get that all nice and even now that we've got it all tucked in. Right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make the cheesecake filling, or the cheesecake itself really is what we're going to be making.
That's
Got that done. Let's put these guys out of the way.
Okay.
Now from here, we're going to use the mixer. You ready to use the mixer?
Yeah. Can I do the honors?
You can do the honors, you sure can. Alright, so what we're going to do here, see, we're going to beat the cream cheese and the remaining sugar. So we're going to put the cream cheese and the sugar in here. So you want to help me open these packages?
Yeah.
Get them out. Go ahead and start opening that one.
Okay. Which side should we do it? This side?
Yeah. Open it like a little birthday present.
I want to open it like
job. So we got those guys out. Now we're gonna open these guys.
Okay, can I do this one?
This one's a little bit harder, so let me get these, okay? I'll let you help me put them in though, okay? So hold on.
I wonder how we do that. And now I know because I watch ya. But don't eat it.
We're gonna eat it, just not yet.
But not that.
Nope. You want to put this in there?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Here, grab it. Shake it. Plop. Put that guy right there.
It's right down a bit.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I've got a little on my finger. You want to try it? Cream cheese.
Yeah.
Put this stuff on bagels. Super good.
Yeah. I didn't know that. That's why bagels are so yummy.
Yes, they are. Should we make bagels?
Yeah.
Okay.
One day.
One day? Definitely. I think we should too. That'll be in the future though.
Yeah. Future in the past.
Alright, let's get the second guy in. Okay. And let's get the last one in.
I would do this one.
You wanna do this one?
Because this is so great. And kids.
Okay, you got this one? Yep. Put it up here. Grab it. Say shake.
I didn't even hit that again.
Yep.
It got on my knee.
Oh, well, you can just lick it off. It's okay. This is cream cheese. Alright. You want to put the sugar in?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta put the sugar into the bowl. All the way into the bowl, Bubba. Yeah, you made a little mess. It's okay. Not that much. It's okay. Look at that. Just put that over here.
Daddy just saw
Yeah, there's a little under there. It's okay. We'll clean that up after we're done.
yeah.
So now we're gonna cream this together. So we're just gonna turn it on. Let's start mixing. Okay? There it goes. See it in there? See? Oh, look. See how it's mixing it all together? Alright.
That was noisy.
It is a little noisy.
Yeah.
These guys get loud, you know? So now what we're going to do, see here? It says to add some sour cream and vanilla. So we got to get a cup of sour cream out. Got to leave that in the fridge. Fresh thing of sour cream. Just for this. What's that? Uh-huh. I know.
It's 100.
All right, so 1 cup sour cream. Yeah, we can put that in there. All right, we're gonna turn this down. Lift that up. Let's get us a spoon or spatula.
Can I do
So-
the honors?
I'm gonna put a cup of sour cream in here.
Can I do that honors? Wait. The honors.
Yep, you can do the honors. You can put it in.
It's like white people stuff.
There's our cup of sour cream. Get this off the side here. Okay, we've got our sour cream. So you want to put the sour cream in?
Yeah.
Okay. Get that over there so it's not in your way. Go ahead and put the sour cream in. Just take the cup and just knock it in.
It's heavy.
It's heavy. Yeah, hold on. Let go. Get it from underneath. There you go. Just shake, 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 shake. All right, I'll get the rest of it here. It's stuck in there.
Yeah. Sometimes it's stuck in there.
Sour cream. Let's get that all mixed down. Just like that.
Next.
There's sour cream. Got our vanilla. You want to put the vanilla in?
Yeah.
Take the vanilla. Pour it in. Good job. Right.
It was so cool.
Yep, so now we're going to let that mix. So we're going to like that. Put this back down. Mix well. a little noisy. That's okay. Continue to mix down our stuff here, so this way the mixer gets it all really good.
Why were you scraping it?
Uh-huh. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to add our eggs one at a time as this is mixing, okay? Ooh, look at it. It's getting really good in there. See?
Yeah.
Alright. See it?
Yeah.
Looking good?
Yeah.
Let's make sure this is all mixed up really well still here. Get it all folded in with each other.
I want to do the eggs.
You want to do the eggs?
Yeah.
We'll see. Eggs are kind of hard to do. You got to be good at cracking them.
Yeah, I am. Sometimes I'm not.
Sometimes you're not.
Yeah.
Well, we'll see. Let's just put that right there. So, drop that down. Come over this way a little bit. So here's what I'm going to do. Make this easy for you. I'm going to crack the egg into the bowl for you, and then I'll have you pour the egg in, okay? Does that sound good?
Yeah.
There's one egg. Make sure it pours into the bowl, okay?
Okay.
Nope. Grab this.
Okay.
Make sure it pours into the bowl. Good job.
Plug into there.
Yep. I'm gonna let that beat. One egg. Go ahead and get the next one ready for you. Okay. Hold on, wait. Not yet. We gotta let it beat for a little while. You gotta get incorporated. Usually about a minute or two, okay? Alright, look, it's been a minute. Go ahead and put the next one in. Make sure it goes in. Good job. Alright, we're gonna let that one beat. Beat. Almost done.
One more time.
Almost.
Wow.
Right.
I almost.
There's our last egg. You want to go ahead and put it in?
Yeah.
Bring it back over this way a little bit. This way you make sure you get into the bowl. Oh.
It almost got on
Yeah,
me.
you almost got it on you. You gotta make sure you gotta get it in the bowl. I don't want to get it on the bowl. In the bowl. That's okay. We're good there. Alright, now we're gonna let this guy go up just a little higher.
It's too full.
Uh-huh.
Into eight. Then it goes to so much.
Yep.
The lines. It's so noisy.
It is noisy. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring this down now. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna scrape the bowl and get everything that's on the sides
Where'd Noah go?
back in.
Where did Noah go?
I don't know where Noah went. She was behind the scenes for a second with Mommy, wasn't she? Scrape. Scrape that all off. We're gonna let
That
that.
was a jump sale.
Uh-huh. And we're gonna pour it back down. Let that beat for just another minute. Okay, just gonna clean up the spatula, make it a little easier to use. It is easy. Alright, so now that we've got that all good and done, now we're going to be pouring that all in here. See our graham cracker crust? Look, it's starting to harden. That's good.
much.
Yep. All right, we're gonna let that drip just a second. Get ready for this.
Why do you keep doing that?
Why do I keep doing what?
Put it back in.
Because
Like
we're gonna
that.
take this out now.
Ooh, that is great.
Mhm.
And that is good. It kind of looks like it just dripping out here.
It is just dripping out. Right. So there's our cheesecake mixture.
Mix, 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 mix,
Yep.
mix, mix, mix it.
Get all those sides
Now you
in here.
mix.
All that mixed
Now
in.
do the mix.
I'll let you help me pour it. How's that sound?
Yeah.
Are we hiding you? Is that what we're doing?
No.
No. Let's move it right here. That way they can see you. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour the cheesecake mixture right into our baking pan. Ready? You ready to watch? Watch this. Here we go.
Can I do a bit? Ooh, that is awesome.
Isn't it?
Yeah. It's awesome and this be here in this bill. This is bill. How much berries got?
What's that?
I mean, these berries you got. 'Cause I don't know.
I don't know either.
Hopefully it's close to 6.
Close to 6.
Yeah.
Let's hope so.
Oh, 4.
4.
Yeah, that is close to 6. Mommy showed me.
Oh. Did mommy?
Yeah. Because who did the fingers?
Okay. There we go. So now we're all up in there. Okay. How's that look?
Wait.
Looks great.
Yeah.
You want to eat it?
Not yet.
Not yet. Why?
Because it's not cooked.
It's not cooked. Oh, I got to put it in the oven, don't I?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see how long we got to put it in the oven for. How much does that say? Bake 1 hour to 1 hour 10 minutes or until center is almost set.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So we got to put it in the oven now, right?
Yes.
All right.
Look how much hot is it?
Yeah. 350. 350.
350.
Yep. Just like the Loch Ness Monster. Because he wanted 350. It's a horrible dad joke, just so everybody knows.
Yeah.
I apologize.
I really feel bad with that.
Let's set this to 1 hour and 10 minutes. Well, we'll set it for an hour first, and then we'll come back and check. All right, so we'll see everybody in about 1 hour to 1 hour and 10 minutes. Once the cheesecake's done, you can see what she looks like. Thanks for joining us. Hi, welcome back to the Big Bearded Baker. Cheesecake just finished up. Now we're gonna bring her out of the oven. You ready to see this?
Yeah. I saw it up there.
Did you?
Yeah. See, I look back. Some of the hotness got on my eyes.
Some of the hotness got on your eyes.
Yeah. The second time. You look so great.
It does. See your cheesecake?
Yeah.
Want to take a good peek at it? Ah, does it look good?
Yeah. But it got one crack. Look at the crack.
Yep, all right. Perfect set in the center. Now what we're going to do is we're going to let this cool. We want to give it about 10-15 minutes cooling like this. Then you should be able to run a knife around the ring, take the cap off, then just let it cool for about another 4 hours and she'll be ready to serve. Thanks for joining us today. Also, strawberry, cherry filling for the top. Got both. We're ready to go. You guys have a great weekend and thanks for joining us.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video and hit the bell notification to see more. Thanks.